Hey y'all, it's Peanut Cute Public. I'm here to tell you how to make a simple square knot. For the sake of time, I already have all the knots together. Everything's ready to go. With this particular knot, you're going to have filler knots, or filler cords and working cords. The working cords will be the color of the project you want to make. We're making a black project, so our working cords are black. Our filler cords are all these. They will be incorporated into the project at one point, so don't worry, it won't be all one color. This is the square knot. That's what we're making today. That's a whole bunch of it already done. So you take your working cords, the one on the right, you will loop it behind your filler cords in an S shape, a reverse S shape. As so, behind your filler cords. Take the end of your left side filler cord, and what you're going to do is basically go under, over, under. That is under your working cord, over your filler cords, and under your other working cord, and tighten. This is what it should look like before you actually tighten it all the way. As you can see, your filler cords are in the center of this, what is actually just a simple knot. Like, you tie this every time you tie your tennis shoes, but when you do it like this, it's extra strong and versatile. It looks pretty in macrame, and it can help you survive. I'm just tightening it up right now. As you can see, we have another square knot. Alright, and later I will show you how to loop square knots like this in case you want to make pendants like this awesome one that I received from the Third Dimension. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. They do amazing woodwork, so check them out. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.